Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you guys how to put feet on your bag bottom if it doesn't already come with feet. Some bag bottoms come with feet and some don't. So you'll learn today how to attach feet on your bag bottom. So let's get started. So you will need your bag bottom, of course, and as you can see, it doesn't have feet on it. You need your feet, of course, and these are the ones that come with the screw to screw it in. So you need your feet. You will need a tape measure to make sure that you're lining up your feet correct. And I also have a hole puncher that I use. And this hole punch comes with different size attachment according to the size of hole you would like to put in, or with whatever you're using to punch a hole in. And you will also need a screwdriver, of course, to tighten the feet. So to get started, I want the feet to be 1.5 inches away from the side. So I'm going to line it up where I'm going to line up my tape measure and make sure that when I get ready to punch the hole, it is centered at 1.5 inches. So that's where I'm going to put my first hole. So that's there. And then I'm just going to go around and make sure that it is 1.5 inches from the edge of the and I'm just making sure that it's lining up properly. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. As you can see, I put my holes in. It didn't punch all the way, but it has that indentation, so I'll know where to put the feet. So now, okay, so you have to kind of use your hole punch to actually go in and really get your hole on in the bag bottom. Just because this bag bottom is sort of thick, yeah, I had to go off camera and work with it to try to get it on, get the hole in there. But now I'm about to attach the feet now that I have the holes in the bag bottom. And you just use your screwdriver. I don't know what I was saying. Use your screwdriver to tighten it up. Okay, and I'm doing the last one. That's it. And that's how you put feet on your bottom if it doesn't come with feet already. So that's it, guys. So if you like what you seen in this video, give me a thumbs up and comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.